Hello, we are mgis. This video will introduce Mplats. Since Mplats requires a subscription plan, we will first log in. This website consists of the following: View Map, which contains various functions, a video about mgis, and finally, announcements. We'll start by clicking on View Map. Basic functions top right. The top right tab contains the most basic functions: move map, measure distance, measure area, view current location, satellite view, and add cadastral map. Let's try measuring some distances. Next, we'll measure an area. This is the satellite view. We can search for Lotte World, a Korean amusement park. And finally, we can add cadastral maps. Work-related functions top left. This is the Search Location tab, the Task Manager tab to monitor tasks, the Drone Photography tab to view completed processes, the Forestry Management tab, and the Component Analysis tab. Let's look at each function in detail. Let's find Lotte World again. We can check which tasks are complete in the Task Manager tab. In a bit, we will upload images and see how they get processed. Through the Drone Photography tab, you can check the list of finished processes. If you select a date, all completed tasks are displayed. Using the on-off slider, you can overlay the completed tasks. Selecting a layer by turning it on moves the map to its location. You can see the difference in resolution compared to satellite imagery. Now let's check out some other results. If you check Generate DSM while uploading, DSM data will also be available. Now we will upload a small data sample and watch the processing workflow in real time. First, input a task name and select the desired quality and accuracy of the result. Let's also check Generate DSM. Choose the images. To speed up the process, we will select just 20 images. The loading animation indicates that the images are being loaded, and when finished, the upload button will be activated. Pressing the upload button transmits the images to the server. While uploading, we'll look at some other functions of Mplats. This is the Forestry Management tab. To manage forestry pests and diseases, simply upload the status of the tree from the field and access that data from any web browser or mobile app. Next is component analysis. Like forestry management, transmit land component data from the field and access the location and land components from any web browser or mobile app. We were going to look at Windows settings, however, the uploading task has finished, so we will look at that first. Since uploading is complete from the Task Manager tab, we can check the status of our task. We have confirmed that our task is being processed, so we can continue. Layer settings bottom left. In the window, various data is provided through OpenAPI, and various layers are provided from internal data. The Air Quality Index, various forestry related data, airspace information, cadastral information, and several base maps are provided. Plus, through Split Map View, multiple layers can be compared simultaneously. Let's assume that we are planning a UAV flight. In this case, we will need controlled airspace information for flight permissions, and also satellite or drone imagery to check out the landscape. Let's overlay the drone data that we processed earlier. Our task has finished. We can set the drone data layer to split map number 1 to compare and analyze the data. We can also check the DSM data. And there are still more features we haven't covered, bringing a diversity of functions to the GIS information project through Mplats.